Rolls-Royce Phantom, a $500,000 masterpiece of engineering, luxury, and prestige. But in a world where you can buy a Lamborghini or even a mansion for the same price, is it really worth it? Today we take an exclusive look inside the Phantom and uncover the features that make it the most prestigious sedan in the world. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more luxury car content. First, let's talk about what makes the Rolls-Royce Phantom a legendary name. Since 1925, the Phantom has been the gold standard in luxury automobiles, favored by royalty, billionaires, and celebrities. Each model is meticulously crafted by hand, taking over 450 hours to complete. Unlike mass-produced luxury cars, every Rolls-Royce is bespoke, tailored to the owner's exact specifications. You don't buy a Phantom, you commission it. From the moment you lay eyes on the Phantom, it commands attention. The Spirit of Ecstasy, the iconic Rolls-Royce hood ornament, automatically retracts for security. The massive chrome grille, sleek body lines, and handcrafted paintwork scream sophistication. And the details? Rolls-Royce offers custom paint colors that can take weeks to perfect, sometimes incorporating actual crushed diamonds into the paint for an unparalleled finish. Yes, that's real. Step inside and you're immediately transported into a world of absolute opulence. Soft leather seats, hand-stitched from the finest hides, real wood veneers, customizable ambient lighting, and the iconic Starlight headliner, a ceiling made of over 1,300 fiber optic lights, mimicking a starry night sky. The Phantom is more than a car, it's a sanctuary. Completely soundproofed from the outside world, it offers one of the quietest rides in automotive history. Imagine gliding down the road in complete silence while being chauffeured like royalty. Under the hood, the Phantom is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing 563 horsepower. But let's be clear, this isn't a car built for speed. It's built for supreme comfort. The suspension system literally scans the road ahead, adjusting in real time to eliminate bumps before you feel them. And let's not forget the hidden luxury features: the built-in champagne fridge, the power-closing rear doors, the whisper-quiet electric rear curtains. Everything in this car is designed for one thing: effortless luxury. So the big question, is the Rolls-Royce Phantom worth $500,000? If you're looking for the ultimate status symbol, a car that redefines luxury, and an experience that no other vehicle offers, the answer is absolutely yes. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is more than just a car. It's a statement of power, wealth, and unparalleled craftsmanship. But what exactly makes this vehicle so special? Beyond its staggering price tag, the Phantom is packed with innovations, custom features, and luxury appointments that set it apart from any other car on the road. One of the Phantom's most unique attributes is its ability to be entirely personalized. From rare wood veneers sourced from around the world to custom embroidery that can feature a family crest or initials, no two Phantoms are ever alike. Rolls-Royce even offers a bespoke audio system engineered specifically for the acoustics of each individual cabin, ensuring an unmatched listening experience. Stepping into the Phantom is akin to entering a 5-star lounge on wheels. Rear seat passengers are treated to features such as reclining seats with built-in massage functions, heated armrests, and deployable picnic tables finished in the finest lacquered wood. The seamless integration of technology ensures that passengers are cocooned in comfort while remaining connected to the world outside. Another defining characteristic of the Phantom is its meticulous attention to ride quality. Utilizing Rolls-Royce's proprietary Magic Carpet ride system, the suspension continuously adjusts in real time to maintain a glass-smooth driving experience. The result is an effortless glide, whether navigating cobblestone streets or highway asphalt. The craftsmanship of the Phantom extends even to the smallest details. The dashboard can be commissioned to house bespoke artwork, a feature known as the gallery, where customers can display anything from hand-painted silk panels to gold leaf etchings. This level of customization transforms the vehicle from a mere car into a rolling museum of personal expression. Behind the wheel, the Phantom's engineering ensures a drive unlike any other. The nearly silent twin-turbocharged V12 engine provides effortless acceleration, while a satellite-aided transmission predicts the road ahead to optimize gear shifts. It's a blend of power and grace that is rarely achieved in the automotive world. For those seeking exclusivity beyond the standard Phantom, Rolls-Royce offers one-off coach-built models, designed from the ground up to be entirely unique. The recently revealed boat tail model is an example of how far personalization can go, with an onboard hosting suite, a champagne cooler, and a rear deck inspired by luxury yachts. The Phantom isn't just a car for today, it's built to stand the test of time. Many well-maintained models from decades past still hold significant value, and some rare editions have appreciated to become multi-million-dollar collector's items. This is why Rolls-Royce vehicles are often seen as an investment in automotive artistry. While the Phantom represents the pinnacle of combustion engine luxury, Rolls-Royce is already looking toward the future. With the introduction of the all-electric Spectre, the brand is preparing to redefine what ultra-luxury means in a sustainable era. But can an electric Rolls-Royce maintain the same sense of exclusivity and refinement? Only time will tell. Owning a Rolls-Royce Phantom is about more than just luxury. It's about lifestyle. It's the kind of car you expect to see pulling up in front of five-star hotels, exclusive galas, and private jet terminals. The presence of a Phantom alone commands respect, and for many, that exclusivity is priceless. Rolls-Royce has also innovated with unique accessories to enhance the ownership experience, custom luggage sets, umbrellas built into the doors, and even an in-cabin scent that can be tailored to the owner's preferences. Every small detail is designed to enhance the feeling of sophistication and class. Then there's the chauffeur experience. Many Phantom owners opt for a professional driver, allowing them to enjoy the rear seat experience fully. The rear cabin transforms into a mobile sanctuary, with fold-out workstations, ambient lighting, and full reclining options, making business on the go effortless. The Phantom's price tag might be steep, but Rolls-Royce offers a level of exclusivity that no other brand can match. Every model is carefully curated to match the desires of its owner, ensuring that each Phantom is truly one of a kind. From private consultations at the Rolls-Royce headquarters to test driving on exclusive roads, the buying experience itself is just as extravagant as the car. Let's talk about security, something Rolls-Royce takes seriously. The Phantom can be equipped with state-of-the-art biometric security systems, bulletproof armor, and even self-healing paint that helps repair minor scratches automatically. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is an exclusive vehicle with only a limited number produced each year. Rolls-Royce does not mass-produce these cars, ensuring that each one remains rare and prestigious. Estimates suggest that only a few thousand Phantoms exist worldwide, making them a highly sought-after collector's item. Customization is a major factor in the Phantom's appeal, and the available color choices reflect that. Rolls-Royce offers over 44,000 different color options, with customers able to request fully bespoke shades. Some buyers even have colors matched to personal belongings, such as a favorite handbag or piece of jewelry, ensuring a one-of-a-kind finish. Special paint finishes, including pearlescent and diamond-infused coatings, can add tens of thousands of dollars to the final price. Owning a Rolls-Royce Phantom also comes with a cost beyond the initial purchase. Maintenance is incredibly expensive, with routine services costing thousands of dollars. A single oil change can cost upwards of $1,000, while a complete set of tires can exceed $5,000. If the car requires significant repairs, such as replacing a bespoke leather interior panel, the cost can easily skyrocket into the tens of thousands. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is a favorite among celebrities, athletes, and business moguls. Notable owners include Jay-Z, who owns a custom blue Phantom, Kim Kardashian, who has been seen driving a bespoke gray Phantom, and soccer superstar Cristiano Ronaldo, who reportedly has multiple Rolls-Royce models in his collection. Other notable owners include Floyd Mayweather and Drake, who have commissioned one-of-a-kind Phantoms to match their extravagant lifestyles. When comparing the Phantom to other vehicles in its price range, it competes with the Bentley Mulsanne, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, and the Aston Martin Lagonda. While these vehicles offer supreme luxury, the Phantom consistently stands above them due to its unparalleled craftsmanship, superior ride quality, and customization options. The Phantom also holds its value better over time, making it a more sound investment for those who can afford it. Rolls-Royce has an exclusive club known as the Whispers Club, accessible only to owners of Rolls-Royce vehicles. This private members-only network provides access access to elite events, luxury experiences, and even invitations to preview upcoming Rolls-Royce models before the general public. Membership is granted automatically upon purchasing a new Rolls-Royce, further elevating the exclusivity of ownership. Buying a Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't as simple as walking into a dealership and placing an order. Rolls-Royce carefully selects its clientele, often requiring potential buyers to go through a consultation process. Some dealerships even turn away customers who don't align with the brand's prestigious image. Additionally, financing options are limited, as most buyers pay in full or through private banking arrangements. The exclusivity of the Phantom isn't just about money, it's about status. Make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of luxury cars. Next up, we explore the most expensive cars ever sold. Stay tuned.